speaking now?
I don't know anything about my husband's death. I don't know anything about my husband's death. Babe, I'm sorry.
Really, you got balls to tell me I'm insane?
I'm asking you.
They say me come back because when you try when you
don't have to insult me. You don't have to insult me, babe.
And who the hell do you think you are?
Who are you?
I married you. I'm the man of that house.
It's so what?
Boss, please you don't.
Hey!
And who called you here?
Leave!
Who called you? Let me tell you, let today be your first and last. When you wake up in the morning, do what you have to do.
Why are you talking as if you're a man? Come.
Wow.
The next time you try this rubbish, you see me.
Wow. Why do you talk because you think you are a man? Oh, really? So I'm no longer the man of this house. Hey, Mama! Mama!
I'm sorry. What's your problem? This is our personal issue.
I'm sorry, madam. I'm sorry.
Let me warn you. From today onwards, I don't want to see you in my bedroom again.
Yes, madam.
I don't want you to serve my husband again.
Yes, madam.
I don't want you to do anything for my husband again.
Oh, madam. So
hey, keep quiet. I'm talking. You're also talking. I don't want you to come close or near my man. Even if you see him dead, leave him there.
Yes, madam.
This is a warning to you.
Yes,
otherwise,
I'll pray for madam. She needs prayers. I'll pray for her.
Doing this. I'm feeling good.
Papa, stop.
Don't touch me again.
Do you love me as I love you? Do you care as I care? If you look deep in my eyes, do you see the love I got for you? Do you love me as I love you? Do you care as I care? If you look deep in my eyes, do you see the love I got for you? It's a secret love.
Apart from all this, okay, let me turn it to you. Okay.
Madam, please, can I have a word with you?
A word?
Yes, please.
Is it that serious?
Yes, madam.
Alright, have a seat. What's your problem? Is it about your pay or something?
No, madam.
Or is there any?
No, madam, please.
Do you need any food?
No, please.
Foodstuffs? Dresses?
No.
Do you want to go to funeral?
No, please.
Okay, what do you want?
Madam, it's about you and boss.
I see.
Yes, I can see things has changed, and I don't want it that way. I love you both. Please, madam.
The last time I checked, you are my maid. So where from this rubbish?
I know, and I can also be your mother. Please.
This time you are not my mother. You are talking about Karen, you are not my mother. So is it good for a man to insult his own wife? He needs to apologize to me. So where from? I don't want that thing.
Madam, please. Stop this apologizing. Yes, you are a woman. I've taken you like my daughter. The advice that I'll give to my daughter is the same I'm giving to you. Please. You see, men, they always need respect.
But I do respect my man till the day he raised his voice on me. I do respect him. So till so I be begging me
Please, you are a woman. You have to calm down. You have to humble yourself. Men, they need respect. And the more you give them respect, the more they love you. I've been in this house for a long time.
Motivational speaker, can you leave right now?
I'm sorry, madam.
Leave! Leave!
Okay.
Rubbish. You were here when he was insulting me. He didn't say anything. And you are here. No one is above the law. He must to apologize. Sometimes to remember when you're born, you so me call wife for baby girl, man can say forgive me. The biamo chance and my baby, honey, I'm sorry, honey, I'm sorry. Meanwhile, when inside you, and yet the biano they are to chill man, quan, na me, my dear, man, relax it. Metsi ya come up, oh baby, I want you them way nicely. You're talking rubbish. You're expecting me to come and bow down. I will never do that. So he begged. It's been a while I see you here, guy.
Oh, baby girl, it's not easy. You know, from work to the house, I barely make time.
But I hope you're good. I hope you enjoy my food.
Very nice food.
Oh.
You're a best cook. I trust you for that.
Do you think I can cook this?
So who did it?
My maid.
Oh well, that's not bad.
Morning.
Hey, morning.
My food. Mama, I'm talking to you. I thought my food should have been ready by now because I have to go take my bath and go to work. Where is my food? Adjoa! Adjoa!
Boss!
Bring my food.
Boss. Please, I'm sorry.
Sorry for what?
Madam said I shouldn't save you.
How? Am I the one paying you or she's the one paying you?
Yes, you are the one paying me.
So then why are you telling me Madam says don't serve me? For what?
I'm sorry.
Hey, Mama. So is that how we're going to live in this house? I have to pay her, give her money to go to the market, and at the end of the day, I don't get any food to eat in this house. Really?
You are spitting on me.
I'm spitting on you. Oh, wow. See, you got to talk to your friend.
Please,
You have to talk to your friend. Because I'm sick and tired of this behavior in this house. I'm not going to tolerate this. Oh, wow. So now I have to go out, I have to go to the restaurant and eat whilst I have a wife in the house. Oh, wow. Wow. Wow.
Papa, please. Just
Wow.
worry, okay?
Hey. If you have any advice, advise your friend. She needs a lot of advice, not me. Because at the end of the day, I can't be spending money in this house and there will be no food for me to eat. This rubbish.
I get you.
Nonsense.
Mama. Mama, what's happening here?
What's happening?
When did this start?
This guy doesn't respect me. You believe said he insulted me in front of maid because he said I scattered the room. I didn't tidy up the room, so he insulted me front and back.
Papa insulted you.
Yes,
in
my
the presence of the maid.
The maid. How? So I decided not to give him food, sleep with him, talk to him till he begged me that mommy, I'm sorry.
Of course, you are right. He deserves what you are doing to him. I didn't even understand. I didn't even know this was
This
the
is the way he
problem.
was talking to me.
It's not nice. Look at the way he was talking to me. How? Oh, if that's the case, then my sister, this what you are doing is even little. Add more pepper.
That's why my friend though.
Let him understand that you are a woman. You are not just an ordinary woman. How can he? Don't give him space, though. That's their usual habit. If you take it slightly, he will keep doing it. Place him where he belongs.
Thank you, girl.
The cheek of it. Making noise. Don't even give him access to you. I mean,
What are you saying?
give him access.
Even talk, I don't go talk to him. Not day.
Make sure he apologizes.
You will. You will.
What's insolence?
For your beauty, nobody feel contest. Independence on me, make I invest. Invest, you invest. Maybe boss get to a pepe. Forget to X, open the day. Forget to X, open the day. Open the day, open the day. Because girl, don't go. Open the door, be on the road. Searching for this kind of girl. Girl so fine, girl so fine, girl so fine. Yeah, mama falling me tribu bomo. And girl so bad, girl so bad, girl so bad. Yeah, mama falling me tribu bomo. Yeah, you so fine like a chocolate. So come over me, I make a jubilate. Come over me, I make a jubilate you. Jubilate you, jubilate. So fine like a chocolate. So come over me, I make a jubilate. Come over me, I make a jubilate you. Jubilate.
Baby, please, I'm begging you, please wake up. Baby, please. Baby, say Joker, stop it. Honey. Oh my God. So let me grow here more than nights. Oh God. Babe, I'm sorry, babe. Babe, I'm sorry. Babe, stop playing. Honey, stop playing. Babe, you know how much I love you. Babe, don't do this to me, honey, hold on, honey. Babe, wake up. Baby, wake up. Oh my God. Baby, I was just playing with you. Baby, I just wanted you to say sorry, that's all. Honey, please don't go. Honey. Please don't leave me. I'll just play with you, baby. Baby, I'm sorry. Baby, please. Let's just wake up for once. Baby, I'll not fight with you again. Baby, I'll not give you attitude again. Oh my God. Baby. Baby, I'm sorry. Oh my God. Boss, what happened to him? I don't know. What happened to him? Boss, he was trying to wake me up. Boss, but because of the fight we fought, I didn't mind him. Oh my God. I'm sorry. My God. Boss! Babe, I'm sorry. I don't remember my jaws as his boss. Boss! My favorite boss. Boss, hey now come to me and say, Papa. Hey now come where are you going? Boss. Madam, can I check it? My baby's gone. My baby's gone. Honey. Hey! Madam, let's call police. Hey! I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Ow. Ow, boss. Boss, why? Baby, I'll be a family phone so baby, let me go. No, me say,